Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add a navigation menu in Shopify. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, go to the Shopify dashboard. From there, navigate to Online Store. Then, go to Navigation. Choose Main Menu. By default, there are some pages set up here. I will remove the catalog page. I will keep the contact page for easy access. Additionally, I will add some collections. I will add the menu items for the women's and men's collections, as these are vital for my store. After adding these collections as links in the top menu, I will save the changes. Now, we can go back to our online store editor, reload the page, and you will see the updated menu with contact, women's, and men's. If you want to add a page that isn't there by default or isn't a collection, you can go back to the dashboard. Here, navigate to Online Store. Then click on Pages, create a new page, such as an About Us page or a Mission page, and include it in your store's navigation. That's how you can add a navigation menu in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.